Google Wix is back. And those of us that have been creating images in the past already know what Google Wix is. It's an image generating tool from Google where you can generate images and also animate them from there. This used to be in Google Labs before, but then Google took it away and we didn't see it like in April, we didn't see it in May. But then with the new updates, we can now find Google Wix inside Flow. And here's exactly how you can access it. Now I'm using a free account. This is a free account as you can see here. All you have to do is you search for Google Flow. You get to see this interface, right? Then you click on new projects. Once you click on new projects, it takes you to an interface like this. You see this tool section, that's exactly where you're supposed to click on. Click on this tool section and then it's going to take you into another interface where you see different tools. And note that these tools are here to make your workflow easy. You can create storyboards. It's just made by Google. For this one for example says you can set new scenes and the rest of them. So just explore each tool so you know exactly what it stands for. To access Wix, we are just going to keep scrolling. It's down. You scroll and then you scroll and then you keep scrolling. Just keep scrolling. Keep scrolling, keep scrolling, keep scrolling, and keep scrolling, keep scrolling, keep scrolling. Yes, this is Wix. Then you click on this and you enter. Now note, the features are still the same. See, the color itself is still the same. It used to be yellow color and it's still the same yellow color. And yes, here we are. So to create an image, you have to type here and then put your prompt. So let me just say an image of a claymation rabbit eating carrots. So let's just use this. Then you click on enter and then it's going to create that for you. By the way, if you've not liked this video, what are you waiting for? Click on the like button, subscribe to my channel, and please share this video to someone that would need it. Thank you so much. So this is the image, this is the claymation. And in case you don't know what claymation is, it's a style of video creation that looks like clay. So this is our claymation image. When you click on this icon, you're going to see this interface. Now for this interface, you can add your subjects, you can add your scene. But note, whatsoever subjects and scene you are adding has to be created by Wix. It has to be something you've already created by Wix. Let me show you what I mean. If I click on this, it's going to take me to this part where I can search for my assets. And the only assets you can see here are the assets that I've created in this particular tool. This is the first claymation rabbit and this is the second claymation rabbit. So you can add that to media. Add to media means you want to add it to the image you are about to create. This is it. So let me try something else and show you. Let me say I'm going to create a separate new image. I'm going to say a claymation dog eating bones. Let's just use that. A claymation dog eating bones. Okay, so one thing I've noticed while making use of this week's feature is the fact that it's 90% similar to what we had in the past, but there are still some things that are not here. If you remember clearly, you know, when you click on an image, you can actually recreate that image. There used to be an icon where you could recreate the image, but that's no longer here. There's also an icon where you could also see the prompts. There's also an icon where you could also adjust the image you've created, but that's no longer here. But this is one. This is the claymation dog. This is another claymation dog. Before, there used to be, I think, 3 dots here where you could add it to prompts, but that's not here. So what I'm trying to do is I want to have this rabbit, and I also want to have this. This dog inside in one particular setting. I'm still going to click here to have, if you want to have 2 subjects, you just click on the plus icon and then you have 2 subjects. I'm going to click here again and I'm going to add the dog I created. This is the dog. So let's just add this to our media, and then the dog is going to show in the exact way the rabbit was showing. So now for those 2 images we generated, we can now use them to create something. So I'm just going to say, I want both animals in a field with jellyfish. Let's just use this in the field filled with jellyfish. So what I'm expecting now is I'm expecting to see this rabbit and also this dog. That's this particular rabbit and then the dog, that the images I chose. I'm expecting to see them in the same field. Another thing I've noticed with this particular tool is there used to be a setting where you can specify your aspect ratio. You can specify if you want it in 1 by 1 or if you want it in 16 by 9, and if you also want it in 9 by 16, but it's no longer here. But you see the image we just generated now. This is the dog, and then this is the rabbit, and this is the dog and the rabbit inside a field filled with jellyfish. So if you are someone who wants to create images, you want to create images for African folktale stories, you want to create images for anything at all, you can try out this tool, and it's free. Another thing that used to be in the previous tool that I don't think I can find here is you being able to animate it directly. For those of you that have used Whisk AI in the past, you know you can animate directly from your board, but I can't find that here. So let me just try something. I'm going to click on download to local. Okay, no, it's not here. Now, what I was thinking was if I download it to local, I thought it was going to come into my all media so I can animate from there, but apparently it's just going to download into my main folder. So these are some of the lapses with this, but if you just want to use this for image generation, you're cool to go. If you want to use this for video, you would have to download everything and then come back to all media. Okay, it's even in all media. You can create from here. Okay, no qualms. You can create from Wix and then you animate it. Now, to animate means to turn to video. To turn to video, I'm going to click on this icon and I'm going to click on animate. Now, let's just use the light feature. I'm going to say, I want both of them chewing what they are holding. And I want the jelly fishes jumping and screaming under the sea. So let's just use this. Should they be screaming or should they be screaming and singing a song titled Under the Sea? So we'd animate this. And then it's going to change this to video based on that prompt we've generated. So that's exactly how you can create from Wix, and then you can now animate it. This is a pretty good tool. This has to be one of my favorites. I used it a lot when it was still on Google Labs. I used this to create images and then add animate from there. And for those of you that are making use of it, then you know whatever animation you used made use of your original flow credits. For example, this is a free account. This is the free account that gives you 50 daily credits, and I've used 1 credit already, so it's going to remain 40 credits. But this is a pretty good tool, and if you are a Wix lover like myself, you can also try this out. And feel free to click on the like button, subscribe to this channel, and of course, I'm going to share more tutorials as time goes on. Let's just wait for this, and then we'll see what we have. Okay, our video is ready. Let's preview our video.
Under the sea, darling, it's better down where it's wetter. Take it from me.
I like this. Let me play again.
Under the sea, darling, it's better down where it's wetter. Take it from me.
So I like this. Let me play it again.
Under the sea, darling, it's better down where it's wetter. Take it from me.
This is amazing. So that's exactly how you can create using Whisk AI. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, and tell me the kind of videos you would want me to create. Leave it in the comment section. I'm going to go through them and implement it. Bye-bye.